So hi Rishi.
Hello, how's it going?
We are here on the Fluid Chords booth, right?
Yeah, so we're here at the Pitch Innovations booth. So we have two plugins called Fluid Pitch and Fluid Chords. So we make innovative MIDI FX plugins. And our brand new plugin is called Fluid Chords. And it's a chord bending plugin that allows you to bend from any chord to any chord. So we've got 8 chord triggers right here that I've already recorded my chords into. So I can either play them using my MIDI keyboard or I can just draw them using the virtual keyboard right here. And once I've recorded my chords, I can use my pitch bend wheel to bend between them. So for example, just using the pitch bend wheel, I'm bending from one chord to the other. And you can visualize it right here as well. Yeah, and we have lots of presets for you to start with as well. So we have pop presets, lo-fi, cinematic. So let's just quickly pull up one. So this sort of chord bending will allow you to create unique sonic progressions. Yeah.
So obviously, is this just sending out MIDI data then?
Yeah, exactly. So it's a MIDI FX plugin. So you just, if you're using Logic, you just put it in your MIDI FX section, and then you put any MPE synth right here. So I'm using the augmented strings from Arturia, but there are tons of options like Equator, Serum, Surge,
Of
Falcon.
course, so
Yeah.
any MIDI VST device, right?
Yeah, any MPE synth, yeah.
Okay, so there's MPE support as well then?
Yeah, so it works based off MPE. So with the standard MIDI spec, you could just use only one pitch bend value. Whereas with MPE, each note has its own pitch bend value, so it'll allow us to bend chords, so any chord to any chord. So you can either bend from a single note to a chord, or you can bend from a triad to a complex chord, and so on. Yeah.
Brilliant. So is it available now? Or
Yeah, so it's available to purchase at pitchinnovations.com. So that's our website. So we have both our products, so pitchinnovations.com. Yeah.
And what is the kind of final price on that?
Yeah, so at the moment it is at $75.
Brilliant. Well, Rishi, thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much. Yeah. And we've won the MIDI Innovation Awards as well. Yeah. For the second time actually. So our first product, Fluid Pitch, has won it for the first time. Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you so much. Take care.